Glueless Wear and Go 5x6 Lace Closure Amazon Wig from Tanashi Hair Official. So I currently don't know how to add background music on YouTube, but the wig is a 14-inch loose body wave. Package came with wig caps, invisible, pink comb, bobby pins, 5x6 closure, HD lace bob wig, silk bag to put the wig in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is like my third time saying it, but it's a 5x6 HD lace 14-inch body wave wig. So right now I'm opening the silk bag that you could put all the stuff that came in the box in, including the wig. That's the wig. That's the bobby pins. I don't know why I'm showing everything again. Hopefully I don't go through the whole box again. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Also, the wig is pre-cut. Oh, those are the loose curls before I brush them out. Just a side note, the wig was mad soft, did not have a smell. I honestly fuck with the wig. I just gotta style it. Now I'm about to put the wig cap on, and I didn't braid my hair back, so I just slicked it back. I honestly taught myself how to do 4 braids on the back of my head. Wow, going to the back of my head. After this video, like a week after this video, but that shit took me mad long to do. You can honestly skip this part. I'm just slicking my hair back. I don't know why it took so long. Now I got the wig cap on with no glue again. Just stay in the video a couple more seconds. I'm about to put the wig on. No glue at the moment though. Putting the wig on. Still no glue. But I pull it over the wig cap. Make sure it's tight on there. The fact that I don't know how to add music to these is crazy because I don't want to leave mad empty, like, quiet ass gaps. So I'm gonna just keep talking or doing the dinner. I got 2 other wig videos to edit, so this is not the only one. I am editing the other 2 and will be posting them soon after this one. So yeah. And then this is how nice that lace looks over your skin. Like, it dead ass blends. You can only see when I'm pulling it back, and only because my wig cap was not glued on or my hair like covered. But swear to God, other than that, the lace is nice. Also, if you are watching, I do have another video up on my page where it's just showing all my packages from a few weeks ago. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are viewing. Now I'm brushing the curls out, like I said I was gonna do in the beginning. So this is a close-up of the wig without glue. You can't even see where the pre-cut lace begins. You could just see where my hair starts. That's it. So that's how you know the lace is nice. And do not leave. I am putting the wig on with glue also. This video wasn't recorded in YouTube format, so I had to zoom it in, but everything worked out fine for majority of the video clips. Other than that, I did have to like make 3 slides for it for some of them. So now I'm using the Got To Be glue spray to glue the wig cap down. I've used the Got To Be glue gel before also. I feel like some people recommend that more for the wig cap, but I personally do like how the spray dries. But I don't know if other people recommend that also. But I also don't like how the gel makes my skin feel. After I sprayed the wig cap, I put the headscarf on so it could dry, and I was just using my hands to wave it. But I definitely just used the headscarf to dry it. So now I'm parting the hair out and straightening it, trying to get it as flat as I can on the top. And now I'm about to cut the wig cap. This part is actually a little slow. You might want to speed it up or fast forward it if you know how to cut a wig cap already. Currently still cutting wig cap. Now I'm coloring in the wig cap with my powder foundation. Now I'm putting the wig on before gluing. After you put it on before you glue it, tighten it in the back to make sure it fits the way that you need it to fit. After you get it to how you need it fit, you can start spraying over the top with the got to be glue. I don't do it before because I like doing it over the lace with the got to be glue. I don't know why. Then you put the strap on over to dry it and use a blow dryer because I just like to use the blow dryer to dry it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I tried to cut layers, but I honestly want to put it on a mannequin's head and then actually part it out, straighten the roots, and cut the layers better, because I'm not a hairstylist, so it's a little hard to do the back of my head and stuff like that. So as you can see, I didn't really straighten it as good as I wanted to at the roots. But this is how the wig came out with the got to be glue after I took the strap off, before combing it up and brushing it and stuff. It looks nice though. You cannot even see the lace from a distance at all. So this was me installing a glueless wig. Even though I installed it with got to be glue, I showed it without got to be glue. But I am posting 2 more wig videos. I have another video on my page that I just recently posted, showing all of my mail that I got, or most stuff. The end. Like, comment, and subscribe.